In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend messages in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop a message right after you send it, and how to give yourself a bigger safety window so you can catch mistakes before your email goes out. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account. Compose your email as you normally would and click Send. Right after you send it, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small notification that says a message sent along with an undo option. That bar only stays visible for a short time, so keep an eye on it. If you realize you need to change something, maybe you spotted a typo or forgot an attachment, click undo before the option disappears. When you click it, Gmail pulls the message back into edit mode and stops it from being delivered, so the recipient won't receive it. Now, the key to making this feature truly useful is setting your cancellation period. This is the amount of time you have to click undo after sending. To adjust it, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find the Undo Send section. Here, you can select a cancellation period of 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Pick the amount of time that gives you a comfortable buffer. 20 or 30 seconds is a great choice if you want a bit more room to double-check your messages. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom. Your new setting won't apply unless you save. From now on, every time you send an email, that message sent up bar with the undo button will stay on screen for the duration you selected. If you change your mind within that window, click undo to stop the send and continue editing. If the window passes, the email is sent and can't be pulled back. It's helpful to think of undo send as a short delay, not a true recall from someone else's inbox. A quick tip: get in the habit of glancing at the bottom left after you send anything important. This small check can save you from sending incomplete or incorrect emails. And remember, increasing the cancellation period is one of the easiest ways to give yourself a safety net. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.